Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a first server in Express or Node.js. Okay, so let's start. So first thing that I need is Visual Studio, basically in which I code. Now I will select a folder. Basically I want to create my server. So I already created a folder called tutorial. So click on and select folder. Now I will create a new folder called chapter 1. So I will type cd chapter 1. Basically he's saying, hey, go to chapter 1 folder. So basically now I'm currently in chapter 1 folder. Now to work in Mongoose or Node.js, first thing that I need to do is install all the dependencies that I want. So I will type npm I mean install. What kind of thing I want basically Express. Okay, question is, I'm teaching Node.js, why are you installing Express? So if you type a code for Node.js, it will be quite a long code. So Express is quite beneficial, and also type an npm init. A question is why npm init. So you, as you can see, you are here. So if I type npm init and enter, just enter. You can give the name, project, author, whatever you want. But in my case, I don't. So you can see all the name, version of your project and dependencies. Okay, so click on here and type server.js. So let's create our first server. So what is the first thing that I want? I need Express. Const Express equal to require Express. Okay, now I will type const app equal to Express. A question is, what does this line means? Whenever I use require, basically means I'm importing something. Okay, so I'm importing libraries. Import libraries. Okay, so here what I've done is I've import libraries. After that I've created a variable called app, basically to use my express function. Now let's create a port. Let's say 5000. So port is a place where your server is going to be run. Okay, so app.listen port console.log backtick server is running on port port. So basically what I'm saying here, that my server is running on, go and listen on this port, and I will print this statement. But if I run this command right now, I will type nodemon server. You can see its server is running on port 5000. But if I go to my server, let's open the Chrome, localhost 5000, localhost 5000. You can see nothing is here. It's saying, hey, cannot get anything because there is no something called get, post, or patch. I will teach you later on what those are and how to use it. So let's first type app.get, go to this address and request response. What I want to send here, return response, uh, response dot send. Let's say h1 hello world. So if I press Ctrl S, it's automatically run. If I click on refresh, you can see hello world. Okay, so this is how you can create your first server. Now let's try to understand what the code is and what are all these things. So basically what I've said currently now is that, hey, go to the app dot get means I have to go to this address. So what is this address means? As you can see that I'm at localhost 5000. So localhost 5000. Okay, so by default I am at this place. So when you see this thing, it means that I have home. Basically, when there is nothing here. For example, if I type and say home or something else, you can see cannot get home. But if I copy this one, enter, let's say home, press Ctrl S. So if I click on, you can see hello world. Let's instead of hello world, home page, save it and refresh it. So you can see I get the home page. So basically, app.get basically go to the address and send what kind of data we have there. Okay, so that is the reason it's a get request, because it is going to the data and get all the information or data available there. Okay, that is the reason. So what I'm saying is return. Res means respond. Okay, respond, send. Here req means request. Res means respond. Request, respond. Okay. I will tell you later onwards why, when there will be you use request and response. Okay. So this is a simple example how to use it. One more thing that you notice, that I'm using something called nodemon server. Okay. So what is a nodemon? So for example, if I type something, okay, I'm currently here. If I press Ctrl S, you can see my server is automatically starting. So this is the purpose of nodemon. So you can run your server again and again by just doing simple changes. So this is called nodemon. In some YouTube videos, they install nodemon dependencies, but in my case, I doesn't install it. If I go here, you can see that in dependencies, I doesn't install nodemon. So by default, it's inbuilt in latest Node.js. So you don't have to install nodemon. Okay, and there is another way to run it, node server. The disadvantage of node server is that, for example, if I update this page and save it, it doesn't going to rerun. So node is not command, node mon is more command. And to close the server, cancel the server, what you have to do is go here, press Ctrl C. Okay, by pressing Ctrl C, you can close your server. So node mon server and enter it. So you can see this is how it works. And let's go to the for hello world. Okay, so in the next video we are going to learn about data schemas and how to use post or other requests in Node.js. Okay, so that's for all. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Code link in descriptions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.